Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you through how to create a bill of material in TechCognics ERP. First, navigate to the configuration from the left-hand menu. Click on Bill of Material BOM option. Once you click on BOM, the BOM list screen will be displayed. On this screen, you can view all the existing BOMs with the following details: item code, item name, item type, BOM version and assembly quantity. At the top, you will find item filter. Using this filter, you can quickly search and view the BOM of a specific item. On the right hand side, you will see the Add button. Click on Add button to create new bill of material. Once you click on Add button, you will find three steppers: production item, processing cost, and costing. In the first stepper, we define the finished goods. Select the item group. Use the item auto search to find and select the finished items. For example, chocolate cake. The UM will be automatically populated. Enter the assembly quantity, which represents the quantity for which this BOM is created. Then in Add Item Details, select the item group. There are three types of items, that is raw material, packing material, and stationery items. Select the item. The rate and UM will be automatically populated. Then consumable quantity and wastage. Click on Add to include the item in the BOM. This system will automatically calculate and display the total raw material amount on the right hand side. Then we need to click on Next. In this stepper, we define the processing and scrap cost. The conversion cost, enter the conversion cost per unit of BOM. Then the scrap section, use item auto search to select the scrap items. Then the UM and rate will be automatically populated. Then consumed cost, and click on Add to include the scrap item. The total scrap material cost will be calculated automatically. And click on Next. In the final stepper, the system calculates the complete BOM cost. First, operating cost, calculated as assembly quantity into conversion cost per unit. Then raw material cost, derived from the total amount calculated in the production item stepper. Then scrap material cost, derived from the processing cost stepper. And total cost is calculated as operating cost plus raw material cost minus scrap material cost. So the final step is, after reviewing all the details, click on Save to successfully create a bill of material. Click on Cancel if you want to discard the changes. This is how you can easily create and manage a bill of material in TechCognics ERP, ensuring accurate production, planning, and cost calculation. Thank you for watching.